Okay, this is my Sony Handycam. Says here it has 20 optional zoom. This is the first time I've ever really demonstrated the camera to you. The battery is dead. The battery is right back here. But the problem is this right here. Now let me show where am I at. The problem is right here. When I open it up, let me close that. When I open it up, what I have is two little holes. That's all. I have no USB port. I just have the firewire here, and I can plug it into my iBook, right, which I have on right now, which is doing a terrible little thing. Where's that little ball? There it goes. It's been on all night. I unplugged it, it's just been going on its own, and so therefore I'm like frozen. It does that a lot, it gets confused and then just goes into this cluster little ball, and it's just just one of those things. But let's move back to the camera. I managed to somehow put the camera onto the iMovie. And here, this little plug here is for like putting it on your television. And of course it has, what I'm using to work it is my AC cord to power it. Now to open it up, what I found out is I actually can turn this around and take a picture of me like that, which out of all this time, I didn't know I could do that. So when I turn this on, I did a little movie, so I'm going to turn it on here if I can remember how to. I know how to do it, but this has zoom. Okay, now I got it on camera. I want it on this here. What is it on? Or it just shut off. Okay, it's on play, okay? And we're looking at it. So let's put it's hard to work with one hand. Let's push play.
I have missed watching his videos, but he's dead on the money about people, I mean, it's just really, and it's really, I mean, they're,
That's you missed my whole head with that one. I have to rewind. It won't take that long to rewind the camera to where I want it to go with it. It's about 5. Okay, let's go. This is showing a picture of my camera. Here we go.
Wow. This is my Sony camera. It's a handy dandy cam. And what I'm doing right now is basically recording me actually looking at me. I can actually, see myself as I'm recording. At all the years I've had this freaking camera, I didn't know I was capable of doing this. You could just flip the thing over. I'm going to show you how you can flip this over. And I'm also going to show you my laptop. A laptop. My iBook G4. I'm having a heck of a lot of problems with it, and I'm not alone. A lot of people, Apple just don't care about the book anymore, and it's still usable. And this is why, when PCs die, they die. But this Apple is still continuing to function and tell you, well, you know, you don't have enough of this and you don't have enough of that. What puzzles the heck out of me is that I can't even open zip files to basically, you know, get the things that I need. And then when I get the things I need, they tell me, well, you know, freaking computer's too old to even handle it, okay? Then I go to sites and they're saying, put more memory in, and I don't know nothing about all of that crap. I don't know nothing about, all I know how to do is use computers. I don't know how to take them apart and put new things in them. And if you go to a...
Okay, let's shut that off. Okay. And then what I do is just flip it back around like that. Then it's like this again. You can take a photo. And this is how I turn it on. Push down in the middle. Hard to see which way to go with this. There's a little trick with it. There we go. So it's on. The camera itself is on. And let's see what it's, you probably can't see. It's looking at my pine wood cabinet. And this, here's my other computer. And it's, you see what it is. It's a piece of junk. Whatever you do, don't buy that this computer. The drive for the DVD is dead, and the webcam that's up here is dead. You know, so it's like worthless. You know, and it doesn't have firewall, which most new computers don't. And it just, you know, just sucks, man. What can I say? So turn this off. If I could turn it off. Okay. Now see, this is in sleep mode. You see this? It's been doing this. I mean, I gotta, like, you know, mess around with the freaking thing. You know, and so what I want to show you here is when I get to it's frozen right now. I can't get off this page, and I don't know when it's gonna decide to, like, you know, unfreeze. Okay, so I gotta see that orange thing. Now it you know, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take this picture right here. Come on, don't play funny money with me. Come on, get up here. I ain't got much time on my freaking battery for this crap. Let me push it over here for a little bit. Take it. It's supposed to go down. Okay, there it is. Okay, I've pushed this into my movie maker. Okay. Now we're gonna play it. We're gonna put it about right here. Okay. Best way to start. There's no sound for some reason. I have no idea why there's no sound. Don't want to put it over there. Okay, let's go out of there. No, I don't want to save it. You know, what for? You know, what I have to do is go into my QuickTime and see if, oh, I can't even go in my QuickTime and find it. That's how screwed up everything is. Let me see, you know, get movie properties. You know, if you don't have the